We look at question number 3. What is the value of 0.21 multiplied by 0.35 multiplied by 26.7 over 4.9 multiplied by 0.015 multiplied by 8.9? When you are given such a question, first this is the whole of this is the numerator, and this is the denominator. When you are given such a question, the first thing you should do is to eliminate the decimals on the denominator. So we need to eliminate the decimals on the denominator. So we count the number of decimal places we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 decimal places. Therefore, we need to multiply by 100,000. We need to eliminate 5 decimal places. We multiply by 100,000 because it has 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, what we'll have is 0.21 multiplied by 0.35 multiplied by 26.7 over 4.9 multiplied by 0.015 multiplied by 8.9. So we multiply both the denominator and the numerator by 100,000. So times 100,000 times 100,000. What you do on the denominator, you must do on the numerator. So we remove the decimal places. 4.9, we have one decimal place, therefore we cancel 1 0. We are left with 49. 0.015, we have 3 decimal places, therefore we cancel 3 zeros. We are left with 15. 8.9, we have 1 decimal place, therefore we cancel the last 0. We are left with 89. That is the denominator. We go to the numerator. We have 0.21. 2 decimal places, we cancel 2 zeros. So we are left with 21. 0.35, you have 2 decimal places, therefore we cancel another 2 zeros. You are left with 35. And then 26.7, you have 1 decimal place, therefore we cancel the last 0. You are left with 267. So we write down what we have. We have 21 multiplied by 35 multiplied by 267 over 49 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 89. The next step is to simplify this. So we simplify. 21 and 49 we can divide by a common number, which is 7. Therefore, 21 divided by 7 is 3. 49 divided by 7 is 7. And then 7 and 35 we can cancel by a common number, 7 again. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. 35 divided by 7 is 5. And then 5 and 15 we can simplify or divide by a common number, 5. Therefore 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Then 3 and 3 we simplify by dividing by 3. Therefore 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we are left with 267 and 89. 89, when you multiply by 3, let's find out what you get. 89, when you multiply by 3, it will be 9 times 3 is 27. So 7 carry 2. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 2 is 26. Therefore, 89 goes into 267 3 times. Therefore, we can cancel by 89 1 by 89 3. Therefore, what we have is 1 times 1 times 3, you get is 3 over 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So it is 3 over 1. 3 over 1 is the same as 1. Therefore, 3 over 1 is the same as 3. So the correct answer is 3. Thus, the correct answer is C. So, when you are given such a problem where you have a numerator and a denominator, if the denominator has decimal places, first you have to eliminate the decimal places on the denominator. For example, e.g., even if you are given something like 4 over 0.2, 4 is the numerator, 0.2 is the denominator. First eliminate the decimal place on the denominator. You have one decimal place, therefore you multiply by 10, denominator by 10 and the numerator by 10. Therefore you will get 40 over 2. Now you can simplify by dividing by 2. By 2 1, by 2 20. So you get it's 20. So whenever you get a question with numerator and the denominator, and the denominator has a decimal place, first eliminate the denominator, eliminate the decimal place from the denominator.